Welcome to CAD Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we're looking at the construction of the external tangent to two circles of similar diameters. In the previous video, we started the video in part 1 and we'll be completing the drawing in part 2. We thank you for joining us and we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we'll be starting the video. Enter, and then we're going to extend. So we'll type EX, going to extend to there, good. Then we're going to extend to the right of D. So we're going to type extend. I'm going to extend that, good. So we need to delete these construction lines. Delete. And this is our completed drawing, right? So this would be the tangent. These lines going up would be the normal. Let us label them. So we'll go single line text. I'm going to label right here. We're going to turn off object snap. I'm going to choose right here. And this, the height would be 4. All right. So tangent. Right. Now we're going to label the normal too. All right. We can do it like this. We can come here. Gonna turn off ortho and do it like this. And then we write normal. Alright, so let's send to the drawing so you can write. See? That's a normal. Now what we're gonna do, we're going to put the normal, which will be this line and the tangent on the outline layer. See? Or the next thing we need to do for to make the drawing complete, we have to put the center line. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go up to my layer properties manager and I'm going to make a layer called center. Then I'm going to choose a line type. Now I need to load it. I'm going to choose center line. Press OK. Select the center line, press OK. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to close the layer properties manager and I'm going to put this line on the center line layer. Good, and there it is, that's a center line. We're going to draw the center line 2 below, right? So we're going to go change this to the center line. We're going to go line, going to turn on object snap, and then we're going to draw, we can turn on ortho. I'm going to draw a line coming down like that, and that will be the center line. All right, enter to get the last command, coming down, enter. Now we can draw it above too, but bear in mind that the normal, which is darker, of a thicker line thickness, you're not gonna see, but we're gonna put it in for completeness. So we're gonna go center, there, enter, again, line from this point to that point, enter. All right, so we're gonna go line from this point, enter. All right, so there's our center line. The center line extends a little bit beyond the thing, about 3 millimeters. We need to turn off snap, right? So this need to be extended beyond the circle about 3 or 2 millimeters, right? Right, so this is our completed drawing. So let's label this. So we're going to go multi-line text. I'm going to select the area where we want the label to be. And this would be to construct a common external tangent to two circles of the same diameters. All right. All right, so wonderful. So we have completed the third drawing of four drawings of how to construct the common external tangent to two circles of the same diameters. So this question could come on a multiple choice or on a geometry paper, okay? To complete this drawing, what we're going to do, we're going to put on the dimensions. So we're going to go linear. We're going to put the distance between there. I'm going to turn on ortho. There. I'm going to put the 100 here. That's 100 millimeters. I'm going to insert the radius. So we're going to click on the circle. Going to turn off snap. Oh, turn off snap. That's 30. Enter to get the last command. That's 30. So good job if you follow. Oh, you need to change this line from the center line to the zero layer. That was a center line. All right, so good job. I'm going to label the normal on the other side. So we're going to center this. And we're going to go here. I'm going to label this coming here as the normal. And this would have completed our drawing, okay? Our good job. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of the common external tangent to two circles of similar diameters. In the next video, we'll be looking at the common internal tangent to two circles of similar diameters. We look forward to seeing you in that video. Please take care until we meet again. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.